Have you ever finished a long report in a document and then realized you still have to turn the whole thing into a presentation? Honestly, copy-pasting every single bullet point is the last thing anyone wants to do. Here's a much faster way to do this now using Gemini, and it actually builds the slides for you. Let me show you how it works. First, open your web browser and search for Gemini in the search bar, and just open up the Gemini. Then click the plus button in the chat bar and upload your file. Then we're just going to ask the AI, can you turn this doc into a 10-slide presentation? Choose the Canva option and hit submit. See what's happening? It's reading the context, picking out the most important headers, and organizing the flow. It's basically doing the thinking part for us. And with one click on Create Slides, boom, a brand new, fully formatted deck is ready to go. You've just turned a 2-hour task into about 20 seconds of waiting. Now you can spend that extra time grabbing a coffee instead of staring at slides. If this little trick helped you out, I'd love it if you joined the Neural Flash community. We're all about working smarter, not harder. Catch you in the next one.